Nights. Disney's Hollywood Studios invites you to join us for our Holly Jolly Holiday Spectacular. Get ready for a rockin' good time and enjoy Jingle Bell, Jingle BAM!
Season's greetings, everyone! Direct from Santa's Village, the North Pole Christmas Eve Command Center Coordinator, McGee!
Hello, Disney's Hollywood Studios! Tonight we've got a special holiday transmission from the big guy himself, Santa Claus. And to make sure the site is holly jolly, I'm sending in our top prep and landing team, Lenny and Wayne. It's classified Kringle Level 9, but Prep and Landing are an elite unit of elves who get houses around the world ready for the big guy's arrival. Their mission? Get in, get out, never be noticed. Oh, Lenny! Wayne! Where are you?
Right here, Jingle Bell.
Through to the big guy's office.
Totally tinsel!
We are go for Partridge. Sir, you are live in 3, 2, 1.
Wayne? Santa's not in his office.
Ah, great Garland. McGee!
I just tried his cell phone. No answer. Typical.
Hey, I know where to look. His cabinet of magic snow globes.
Yes, of course. Activating remote vault access now.
Yeah! We're bound to spot the big guy in one of his magic snow globes?
You know, for a large bearded man in a bright red suit, he sure can blend in. Keep your eyes open, tree skirt.
festive.
Festive, yes, but still no sign of the big guy.
Oh, frostbite. Okay, I'm escalating this situation to cranberry red.
Lanny, time to gear up. Gimme out. Check. Grappling hook. Check. Angel air gun.
Check.
Sparkle ornament?
I've got extra. Oh no! Hey! Hello, Orlando.
Oh boy. You all right there, buddy?
I love you, Wayne. You're so adorable.
Yes, I'm aware. Stay with me, Lanny.
Christmas is so sparkly. It just melts my heart.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Yuletide carols being sung by a choir. And folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh. And every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. Golden days, happy golden days are gone. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. The years we all will be together, if the fates allow. Shining star upon the highest cloud. And have yourself a merry little Christmas
Wayne! Oh, I think I know where the big guy is. He's been kidnapped.
What? How? Where?
I saw him in my sparkle dream. There were woods, 3 naughty kids, and a green monster thing, like a nightmare.
Before Christmas? Okay, we need stealth and speed. This calls for Thrasher the reindeer. Dasher, good buddy, get us out of here. We're going in!
What have we here? When Mr. Oogie Boogie says there's trouble close at hand, you better pay attention now, cause I'm the boogeyman. And if you aren't shaking, there's something very wrong, cause this may be the last time you hear the boogie song. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm a boogie boogie. of snake and spider stew. And don't you know the one thing that'll make it work so nice? A roly-poly Santa Claus to little spice. Whoa! 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 I'm the Oogie Boogie Man!
We've got eyes on the big guy. Engaging night vision.
Hey! Who turned off the lights? Who's messing with me?
You guys are definitely on the naughty list.
Get him, Lanny!
This isn't very tinsel.
The partridge is in the pear tree. We have rescued the big guy.
Happy to have you back, sir. We are live with Orlando.
It's thanks to Lanny and Wayne. They're the ones who saved Christmas and me, after all. But as long as family and friends are together, like here in Orlando, there will always be Christmas. Merry Christmas and happy holidays.
We should definitely have a party.
It's really not in the budget this time.
Ho, ho, ho!